Hello, warrior family. How is everybody doing today? Today we're busy, so we went the simple route. Frozen Chinese, because why? More than likely it's cheaper to do it this way than buying from a Chinese restaurant. So, thumbnail. You're So we have.
I'm trying to copy you.
Yeah, I know. I could definitely see you. We have pot stickers, chicken, I think, dumplings, egg rolls, and General Tso's, and a honey chicken. And then, yeah, we're hungry. We will chat with you in 1 second after we start grubbing. Oh, rice. I'm probably going to too. Probably should have anyway. Especially with these slippery ones.
That one's the honey. It's pretty good. Really sweet.
That one's the spicy one.
Too spicy.
Maybe. Hair flip. Let's go.
It's a little warm.
Yeah. I'm gonna try some Japanese barbecue sauce on my rice. And you're doing soy sauce on your rice.
Soy sauce.
So how is everybody doing? We're good, I guess. Are we good?
Yeah, we're good. Olipop.
First time trying Olipop. I'm super ecstatic about this. I hear so many good things about it. I have crisp apple.
I have root beer.
Do you like root beer?
Classic root beer. Yes, I do.
I thought you did.
Pink.
Pink.
Wow. That tastes like root beer.
Ooh, this is good. So it only has 5 grams of sugar per can, and it's a prebiotic soda. I'm not a real fan of root beer.
That's pretty good. It tastes just like root beer.
As soon as you get your nose up to it, you can smell that.
It's just like
Wow.
I don't know about the prebiotic stuff, but
Well, if it makes you go potty, you'll know why. Or if you have to go potty. Classic soda you know and love with prebiotics, plant fiber, botanicals to support your microbiome and digestive health. Finally, a refreshing soda that's actually good for you. Oh, I'm liking this already. That is spectacular.
I don't know. This is an exercise in futility.
What?
This is an exercise in futility. Trying to eat rice with chopsticks
Oh, okay.
is
Yeah.
pretty impossible.
Oh, I probably should have turned the dryer off and stuff. Mmm.
Oh. You have a spot on your boob.
It's actually not on my boob, but it's close. So I had a busy week this week with my dad, mainly. Doctor appointment after doctor appointment. I'm still having issues with my editing apps, so pardon the lack of content because of that. I'm not sure how to fix this. Not technologically savvy in the least bit. But then today, I'm just doing this because I have a pleat here, and
What we really need help with is we bought storage. Storage? Is that what it is? On or iCloud or whatever. So we upgraded the iCloud to, I don't know what it was. This is the second time we've upgraded. And it still says no storage available. And neither one of us know how to fix it. Or figure it out. Can figure it out. Have you figured it out yet? No. We can't figure it out.
But I'm also having problems with my editing app.
On the, can I say the name of it?
What?
Your editing app.
Yeah. But the problem is I'm having issues with CapCut right now. I'm having issues with CapCut on my phone, and I'm having issues transferring data or content to edit from my phone to the iPad because it says there's lack of storage when in reality there is so much storage. And I have no idea how to do that. How to fix anything. Olipop, Olipop. Olipop is yummy.
iWap is very good.
I'm glad you like it.
These pot stickers are the bomb.
What?
Yes.
Do you remember what brand these are for everybody to?
I do not.
All right, so if you guys want to try these, I will put the brand name or a picture of them somewhere
I can go get the bag.
in here. It's fine.
Taipei or something like that. I don't know. They're really good. They're a little harder to prepare, but
Ooh.
look at all the filling in there.
Mm-hmm. Those are good.
Very good.
I'm sorry about my mess.
And the sauce that came out with them is actually very good.
It is. I'm surprised. So if anybody can help out with that, if not, I'll figure it out some way, somehow. Then, other than taking my dad back and forth and getting groceries and such, today we had an eye appointment for the both of us.
Yay!
It's been almost a year.
Our last set of glasses that we got almost a year ago are horrible. Prescription was horrible. Place we went was horrible.
Yeah. Well, the thing is where we went, and I'm sure I told you guys already, but it was Walmart. But when they charge you, you pay separate. You pay for the doctors, and then it's a separate payment for the rest of your stuff. Like for me, it's glasses and contacts, and then him is just glasses and safety glasses for work. So at Walmart, they weren't running our insurance, or they would forget or whatever. And then this past year was my first year for bifocals. And I can't stand wearing glasses full time, so They were talking about a multifocal contact, this, that, and the other thing. And I've had headaches pretty consistent for the last, 11 months or so. So I'm like, we need to switch.
And at Walmart, it seemed like the only person that knew what they were doing was the eye doctor. The other people that are supposed to measure your eyes and decide where the bifocal goes and stuff like that. Her first pair came back and the bifocal line was halfway up her eye. So we had to send those back. And yeah, just
Well, I feel
an overall bad experience.
It was, and I feel bad because the doctor is a good doctor, so he seemed to be. And then both of us went, and then it was just all bad. All bad. A good sign when you walk into anywhere is if they're busy, right? So if they're busy, you know there's something good about it to have that many people in there, right? So we go into America's Best, and they were packed. We were in and out for the both of us. We were in and out in 2 hours. I didn't think that was too bad at the time. And they were so nice. The opticians were incredible.
Mm-hmm.
They were able to get us the best deal possible. It was a great experience.
Great experience. My best experience ever at an eye doctor. And I've been going to the eye doctor since I was 10 years old, 9 years old, something like that.
Oh, I've been going to the eye doctor since I was 9.
Yeah, I think I was in 2nd grade, 3rd grade.
Aw.
I became a Poindexter at quite a young age.
I became a 4 eyes at quite the young age. Oh well. Do you hear that outside? They're either wolves or sandhill cranes.
Might be a little late for saying no trains.
Yeah, probably. Adele,
But it's kind of what it sounds like.
do you want this?
Meh.
Easy, please.
That honey chicken's almost too sweet. It's really good, but it's very sweet.
Well, if it's too sweet, that's when you put a little heat to it. Then, this weather. How has your guys' weather been? Whoa. We've had a mixed bag for days. This whole entire past week was,
Yeah.
oh, I need a fork. I can't do this. So yeah, mixed bag of weather for us where we are at. I know a lot of you go through it, but I'm just saying, like,
Springtime, definitely.
the whole transition for us between spring and summer, or winter to spring, this year's been a crazy one. Our winter was crazy. Last year, in one day, we got 24 plus inches. And then we probably only got, what, not even a foot this year?
Yeah, we didn't get a lot of snow.
Not even 12 inches this year total.
We did have a nice cold stretch. Maybe a week where it was really, really cold. So hopefully I don't know. They say if it stays cold for a long period of time that your mosquitoes won't be as bad the following summer.
I don't think we had that this winter.
We had about a week where it was really, really cold. Nah, maybe about 3 days.
I'm saying I don't think we had enough cold or freeze
Yeah. We probably
this
did.
year to... the bugs this year are probably going to be outrageous.
I'm not a good judge on how cold it is when it's cold, because if it's less than 70 degrees, to me it's cold.
This is true.
That's why I'm wearing a hoodie and she's in short sleeves.
And I have the door open over here. I really like these Ollipops. The only bad thing about them is they're like on sale. They're $1.97.
For one can?
Mm-hmm. That was on sale.
$1.97 on sale?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
But they're good for you.
$1.97, really? I mean,
No, that's expensive.
not really.
Yeah, it is. When you... Mm-hmm.
No. It's better for you than an energy drink, and it's actually cheaper.
Same price.
I think I could live on these.
No, you couldn't.
I know, but these are tasty.
You love your pizza and pastas too much to live on that. Ow! What was that? Oh yeah, and the storms last night. Holy moly. Not as bad as other places though.
Mm. No, we're very thankful.
Grateful. A friend of mine lives in Indianapolis. Said that they had tornado warnings down there. And then I think southern Indiana also had tornadoes hit. But we had a beautiful light show.
Yeah, well,
A lot of thunder. Adele wasn't happy about the situation at all.
we probably had a good, 14, 16 hours of wind.
It was all day yesterday.
And it didn't stop till maybe 5 o'clock this evening. So maybe a good 24 hours worth of just really strong.
Gusts up to 50, 60 mile an hour.
Yeah. And a steady 20 to 30 mile an hour wind. Yeah.
The only reason we get so panicked by the wind is because of our trees. And if you guys have been around long enough, then you know about our tree situation.
It's not good.
We have one over here. We got a dangly limb. Pretty far up. It's not like you can reach it and grab it, pull it down or nothing. And then that tulip tree that you guys sat out there in the backyard with us burning, there's only one. The tree is only one now. There's not like a lot of, what am I trying to say?
Shoots on it. It was like 3 trees,
3 shoots.
but the other 2 big ones fell off, and they're still, the largest one is still there.
We're just worried that it's gonna fall on our house or on the neighbors, something. So, yeah. Anyway. But the plus side is More warm weather is on the way. Are you through?
Yeah, I took my pills. I'm good.
All right, well, I guess we're done here. So, Adele says hello. Can you hear her? Hello? So we're gonna go. Everybody have a wonderful week upcoming. Hopefully I can get this out before then. I don't know. We'll see.
You will.
It just depends on how the editing apps are gonna go for me. So stay safe, be kind, thanks for being here, and love with everything you have. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? We are fun sometimes. So, until next time, we will see you all later.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.